You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly in English, and also we need to learn how it's pronounced in German to understand really. This is famous for being the name of a dimensionless or dimensionless, well, I'll have to check it out, number, and it's named after a German physicist, scientist. German pronunciation, Prandtl, Prandtl, so the Prandtl number, but you could say in English Prandtl, Prandtl. It is named after Ludwig Prandtl, Ludwig Prandtl, and Prandtl number. Therefore, in English, just say Prandtl number. It's easy, Prandtl number, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.